Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. Tonight we are talking about the best knives on Amazon. You guys, this list would not be complete without the Mercer Culinary Genesis 10-piece forged knife set with the case. I think the case really makes it, and this is just absolutely perfect, especially for anyone that is a chef or is going to cooking classes. If you need to take your knives with you, you're gonna want this one. Just for the case alone is really great. But Mercer, of course, is a German set, so it's gonna be German steel, high temperature carbon forged. It's the best of the best, and these are expensive, but for what you get and the quality you get, they're worth every penny. And I definitely think that if you are serious about being a chef, if you want the top end knives, that German steel is definitely something to consider. And if you're looking for an upgrade, you can look, and there are countless reviews that are going to just rave about the quality of these knives. These are going to stay sharp. They're going to be super balanced. They're just going to be beautiful, totally stainless, never going to have to worry about any sort of corrosion or rust, even spots, nothing. These are going to be perfect. They're going to be really well balanced, feel great in your hand, and just be your companion for all of your cooking, slicing, dicing, chopping needs. These are going to be amazing. They have a lifetime warranty. And you guys, there are so many stories of anytime something does go wrong, Mercer's customer service is there 100% to back you up, to replace whatever you need, to take care of that for you. They really, really stand by their product. So I know that you can buy with confidence. Plus, when you're buying on Amazon, you already know that you have that A to Z guarantee. So, if this is something that you're thinking about, you're iffy about, I would definitely say just go ahead and do it and put it in your cart. You know that Amazon's going to take care of you and have your back, and you know that Mercer is too.